Alright guys, welcome to another video. My name is Cody Groom. E36 is over there getting wrapped. I know you guys saw my little way of driving over there. I basically put a bucket down on the seat because we didn't have any seats in it. And then you guys saw since then, we test fitted that same seat, or the passenger side seat for the E36 in the E92. But today we got a couple little things on the Supra. Red start stop button that we'll do. And then got some new paddles. Paddles are actually gonna be very similar. If you guys watch the taking off the steering wheel of the E92 M3, they'll be very similar to the Supra, two BMWs. All right, let's do it. All right guys, so to put the paddles on, we have to do similar to what we did on the E92. We basically disconnect the battery, pop the airbag out, disconnect that, and then right here we'll have two bolts, or we'll have a couple bolts, I'm not sure how many, but to take off these paddles, unplug them, take them off, we can put the new paddles on, and then the start stop button is actually pretty easy. It's basically just get something sticky, and I don't know if we have something sticky enough here to do that, but basically push, get it on there and then pop it out. All right, so I just spent probably 20 minutes trying to take this off. There's some clips in here, and basically you have to push these in order for it to release. You also have to push the airbag in as you're pushing in through here. Honestly, I don't really get why they went with this versus the other one, because on the E92 it's just really easy to go through. It's the same concept, you just have to push in, and honestly these things are really damn hard to push in. So it took like 20 minutes to fiddle with it, get the right thing, and also make sure I wasn't missing past this and hitting the wiring or anything. So now I'm just gonna disconnect this. All right, paddles are out. Just gotta squeeze them through this. These are plastic. I'm just curious, obviously the metal ones that come in the M3 are pretty nice. They're like an aluminum. I guess it could be an aluminum, but they feel like plastic. So inside the back, we gotta go ahead and take this piece off now, and there's a little spring in here. Swap the backing onto the new one. We just gotta install the new paddles. All right, so with the OEM paddles, you can see the actual switch mechanism is in the paddles. With these new ones from Shifters, I just put on the left side so I could see it. And it basically uses the same thing, but there isn't anything built on the paddle. Like you can see here, there's no assembly like there is on this. So basically they created this part that's separate, that then goes on, and then the other piece is attached. That's how the final thing is. So that back is gonna be screwed through. They supply a longer screw right here. Not gonna work inside the car. That piece goes on. Whoops, I unslid that. Let's see, so you can see there's the actual assembly. There's the new piece. That slides in like that and slides into there as well. So boom, and then this side's too. So I'm trying to do one at a time, but they actually have to go at the same time. See, so it slides in and slides underneath there and then slides into there. Easy as that. Then I just gotta put it back to the car, attach it. We're good to go. Boom, and then this side's too. So I'm trying to do one at a time, but they actually have to go at the same time. See, so it slides in and slides underneath there and then slides into there. Easy as that. Then I just gotta put it back to the car, attach it. We're good to go. Test it out.
I thought you had it.
Got it. So the only thing I will say is that I'm curious to see if this is different with different brands. This particular brand, it does feel like there's a little bit of play in the top of the paddles. Now, if those paddles weren't there, you wouldn't even hit that part of the paddle, so that's fine. But because, you know, because you do have these extra top parts, it kind of feels like if you hit up here that you're gonna have, you can see, I don't know if you guys can see that on camera, but there's a tiny bit of play. Looks like we got a cop right here.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Does that mean we should do a donut right now?
Probably not.
Obviously, these are cosmetic mods, but I always like to make sure that they don't get in the way of shit. Next up, though, in this car, we definitely need to do a downpipe. This car's good. I think this car sounds really good stock, but I just think once you put a downpipe on it, it just opens it up. I mean, obviously, think about it. It's got cats on it, and I mean, even a catted downpipe, you get a lot from. Guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button. If you got something to say, leave me a comment below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.